Hi everyone, it's Yusuf Adekunle here. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how to make money from academic assignments. Wow, I know that is amazing, but you heard me well. Seriously, from those academic assignments we are given in our institution, there's a platform in which when you put your write-up, even those informative write-up people put on Facebook, Instagram, and any other social media, there's a particular platform that when you put this content in on them, you get paid by Google. I'm telling you. When it comes to academics, students are of different types. We have the unserious ones and we have the serious ones. These serious ones later in life may be rewarded, but from school they can get paid when you put all your heart in your assignment. I'm telling you, you can put them on a platform in which you get paid. That's it. I could remember there was a time I was speaking with a brother. He's a teacher in a secondary school. Then a lady greeted her, saying her she was carrying books and other things. So I was surprised and I had to discuss with her to know some things. So, and she said she went to read. I was like, wow. Even some students that I know, when I ask them, aren't you guys reading? Just typing phone, gisting, chatting, they say they don't have examination. I was like, is it when you have the exam you read? That kind of things. So, and we have people like these girls, the serious ones, who are always putting their best in academics. So now they don't get anything, and that's why those who are serious are always like, even those who are doing it, what are they getting? So if you are the type that always put your best, check the description below. You find a link there. I'm telling you, while using just WordPress to put in some content, and when it comes to putting content to layman, there's a way of doing it. So you make your assignment in a way that it will be informative and even layman can understand it. Because somebody will now be like, what if my course is not, or the assignment is not something that a layman can understand? I'm telling you, that means you don't know how to break it down. A philosopher said that when you don't know it, you can't explain it. Or in other words, if you can't explain it, you don't know it. So now you find a way of putting your assignment or your write-up in which anybody that reads it will understand it. That's just it. And by doing so consistently, you get paid. You'll be getting paid from Google. Thanks so much. If you find this video useful, and you know somebody who is in school or even writing job or willing to go to school, you can share this video with them, so that as they are putting up their write-up for academics work and assignments and presentation and the likes, they can be putting them on a particular platform in which they will be getting paid by Google. Yes, I tell you. Thank you.